welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious and refreshing arugula watermelon salad. And I really love this salad because I love the combination of a peppery arugula with a sweet watermelon. It is so good, and if you want to see how I make it, then stick around and keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. This salad is going to be so simple and easy to make, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prep the vegetables by slicing very thinly a half a cup of red onions. Now I'm going to chop 1 cup of cucumbers, and I really love English cucumbers because you never have to worry about peeling the skin. You can just go ahead and eat it full, and it's really delicious. Now to the main ingredient of this recipe is this mini seedless watermelon. You don't have to buy one of those huge watermelons if you don't want to, but watermelon is just so sweet and delicious and refreshing this time of year. But yeah, I'm just going to take a knife and just cut and chop it into cubes. So I'm done with the watermelon, and I even had a taste, and it is absolutely delicious. Now let's move on to the other main ingredient of this recipe, and I'm going to use some arugula. And if you've never had it before, it has kind of like a peppery taste. So between the sweetness of the watermelon and the arugula, it is the perfect combination. And I'm just going to rinse between 3 and 4 handfuls really quick. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the chopped vegetables, starting off with the cucumbers. Now the red onions. And to add some even more fresh flavor, I'm going to use some fresh mint leaves. Okay, so now I'm ready to add the chopped watermelon. Feta cheese is great with any salad, but it's especially perfect with this arugula and watermelon salad. So I'm going to go ahead and add that, and some chopped walnuts for some crunch. So I'm going to make a quick dressing. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm also going to use 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. You can also use white wine vinegar as well if you have it. I have 2 teaspoons of honey. I'm going to add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And to round out the flavors, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and just take a whisk and mix everything together. And that's it. You just take the dressing and pour it on top of the salad. And just go ahead and toss everything together, and you definitely want to make sure that everything is coated in that delicious dressing. Oh my god, look at all the different color combinations, the greens, the reds. It is what really makes this salad so great. So the weather is getting warm, summer is practically here, and I live in a desert, so it's really hot where I am, so you can best believe that I will be enjoying this salad all summer long. But that's it, we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, you guys, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.